Sketch the locus of z if arg z minus 2 take away arg z minus I is equal to pi. Now this will be the angle from the point 2, 0. This would be the angle from the point 0, 1. So let's have a look at what this might look like. So the pi gives us a clue. Remember, pi is the same as 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is the angle of a straight line. So it's going to be related to a straight line. Now let's put 2, 0 over here and 0, 1 just here. Let's consider a straight line that goes through these 2 points. Let's consider each portion of that line. So if we look at this portion up here, the angle from this point is this angle here, which I'm going to call alpha. The angle to that portion of the line from this point on the real axis is also alpha. Now, alpha minus alpha is equal to 0. That's not equal to pi. So that top portion is not going to be part of the locus. If I go down here, this angle is beta. Remember, beta is a negative angle. The angle to that portion here is beta as well. And so beta take away beta is 0. That's not equal to pi. So that part down there is not part of the locus. But what about the part in between? This angle is alpha, this one is beta. And what can we tell about the size of those two angles? Well, this line and the real axis are parallel. So we can see that they add to 180, at least if we ignore the sign of beta. But that's where this minus comes in. For this one, alpha take away beta is going to be equal to pi. Remember that beta is a negative angle there. So it's going to be, if we just call this gamma for a minute, and we say that gamma is equal to negative beta, then from our knowledge of parallel lines, alpha plus gamma is equal to 180. And that means that alpha minus beta is equal to pi. So the portion we want is this portion in between the 2 points. And we should, and I did this right at the start this time, note that the points themselves are not included in the locus because it's pointless to talk about the angle of a point from itself.